Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm from the Human Resource Department who would like to present our proposal titled Enhancing Productivity and Work-Life Balance in an Education Business Proposal for a Hybrid Work Policy. In this presentation, we have three main proposals. First, to introduce a hybrid work policy as a strategic solution. Second, to explain how this policy can improve staff performance and well-being. And third, to provide a feasible implementation plan. Our presentation will discuss 4 points: current workplace challenges, explanation of the hybrid work model, benefits based on data, and implementation on plan and recommendation. Currently, the company still uses a fully in-office work system, and this creates several problems. First, employee turnover has increased by 15%, which shows dissatisfaction and lack of flexibility. And second, many employees experience work-life imbalance, and around 70% of employees prefer remote work options. And third, rigid schedules can reduce motivation and productivity. So, in the education business context, teachers need flexible time for lesson planning, grading, and content development. Administrative staff also handle data, reports, and digital systems that can actually be done remotely. Therefore, a fixed office system can limit focus and efficiency. So, the next slide. So, this slide summarizes the main issues with the full in-office policy. The first issue is higher employee turnover because many educators and staff prefer flexibility. The second issue is work-life imbalance since employees need remote work options. And the third issue is decreasing job satisfaction because by long commutes and rigid schedules. So, these problems can affect employee performance and also the overall quality of the organization. The next slide is implementation on plan. To solve these problems, we propose a hybrid work policy implementation in 3 phases. Phase 1 is a 3-month trial period starting next quarter. During this phase, the company will evaluate employee performance and feedback. Phase 2 is system setup. The company will use digital tools such as Zoom, Google Workspace, and learning management systems. A fixed hybrid schedule will also be created for consistency. Phase 3 is monitoring and support. Performance will be measured based on output instead of attendance. And the company will also ensure data security and provide technical training and IT support. The summary is, to summarize, the current work policy causes employee dissatisfaction and turnover. A hybrid work model can provide more flexibility and efficiency. Research also shows that hybrid work can improve productivity and employee engagement. In addition, this system is highly relevant to the needs of the education sector. So, for the conclusion and for the recommendation, adopting a hybrid work policy can create a more balanced, productive, and sustainable work environment. And our recommendation is, first, approve a 3-month trial implementation, monitor the result carefully and make adjustments if necessary, and make a flexible system for employees because it is a long-term investment in educational quality and organizational success. So, thank you for your attention. That is all from our group presentation. We hope this proposal can be considered as a positive step toward a better working environment.